This 2010 Acura RDX is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. Acura RDX technology PKG UD technology package navigation system rear view camera rear parking sensor shaded front seats power sliding sunroof xenon headlights 2.3L 4-cylinder IVTEC turbocharged engine automatic transmission cruise control keyless entry power exterior mirrors power door locks white exterior black leather interior owner's manual. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for detailed walk-around way. Hope you are next satisfied. Online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2010 Acura RDX AWD Tech PKG is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and amp pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the event of a mistake, Auto Gallery Chicago is not responsible for errors. We also reserve the rig. Visit us at autogallerychicago.com.